Hi, let's take a look at starting our first post. So again, you could go here to posts, add new, or you could just go up here to new post. I'll do it that way. And this is the screen you get when you're creating new posts. Now, it looks kind of complicated, and I'm actually going to suggest that you simplify it, and that'll be your default. So follow along here, okay? I'm going to go up to these three dots here, and I'm going to click on them, and I'm going to come down to options. And then I'm going to get rid of a bunch of things. I'm going to get rid of permalinks, categories, tags. I'm going to leave featured image. I'm going to get rid of xserf, discussion, custom fields, and sharing. And you'll see now it looks a lot simpler. And you may want to do that. You don't have to. So I'm working on my first post, and you remember for this you're making a meme about tech teachers, and I made a meme using Adobe Spark Post. So I'm going to put a title in here. And now basically what happens is I've got a variety of blocks of text here. So I'm going to take some text that I've already typed up, and I'm going to insert it here. And you'll see that it comes in, it's a block. And if I go up here, I could go add a new block. And I'm going to add another block, and I'm going to add another paragraph like this just to show you. And I've got another paragraph typed out here, and I'm going to put it in. So now I've got two paragraphs, okay? Now, just to show you how this works, these paragraphs could be any number of different things. Like, for example, I could click here at the end of this one, and maybe I want to add a separator like that. And maybe I go to three dots. Okay, so now I've got three blocks here. I'm going to do one more thing just to help illustrate a point. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to add a drop cap so you can see the difference. So now I've got three blocks of text. Excuse me, two blocks of text and a separator. And notice that I could move. Oop, I lost my drop cap there. There we go. So notice that I could take this one and actually move it down below the separator all the way to the bottom. And I could move this one all the way to the top like this. So now that drop cap's at the bottom and this is at the top. So for now, we're just going to look at inserting text. Now, once you're in here, it's your text. Obviously, you could highlight things and you could make them bold. You can make things italics. I mean, I think you guys get all that stuff. If you wanted to add a hyperlink, you could click here and add a hyperlink and so forth. But we're not worried about that. So you are working on your first blog post, and you're going to explain the meme that you wrote. So the last thing we have to do is we have to get the meme in here. And I've already made that in Adobe Spark Post. So I'm going to go over here to featured image like this, and I'm going to go set featured image. Now it says drop files anywhere to upload. So I've got this image that I made on Adobe Spark Post. I'm going to drag it in here, and I'm going to drop it like that, and I'm going to select it. Okay, now it shows up here. Now featured images are kind of strange things. They have properties other than just sticking an image in. And now when I'm all done, I can go to preview like this, and I can preview it, and it's opening up generating a preview here. And you'll see I now have a preview of my post complete with this featured image. And just to show you how featured images behave a little bit, if I go down to let's say the home page here, and I scroll down far enough, you'll see former posts that students have done. These are their featured images. So featured images are kind of a cool thing. I'm going to go back. I'm in the preview mode here, and I'm previewing this. And now I'm going to go back to the post, and when I'm all set to go, I can hit publish. Okay. Now, let's say that I decided that I wanted to get rid of these words here just for instance, and I said, oh, before I publish it, I really should put those back. There's a nice little undo button. There's a redo button. So you can play around with that sort of stuff. And we are all set. If we go back here, see, this is the block setting because I'm on the block. I'm going to click on the document. That shows me the entire document. So again, go here, block, click here, document, and now when I'm all set, I'm going to hit publish. But I'm not going to publish it because it's actually kind of a stupid post. Okay, that's how you make your first post and insert a featured image.